the ultimate cleaning beast. No more dirt drama under your ride. Why crawl under your car like a mechanic in a bad sitcom when you can effortlessly blast away dirt, oil, and road grime with the Tool Daily Undercarriage Pressure Washer attachment? This 16-inch dual-function cleaner delivers a powerful 3,600 psi punch, scrubbing every hidden corner under your ride, without you ever bending over. Whether it's caked-on mud, winter road salt, or just everyday filth, this beast makes undercarriage cleaning fast, effective, and fun. Say goodbye to awkward car gymnastics and hello to a professional-grade deep clean, right in your own driveway. This isn't just any pressure washer attachment, it's a dual-function cleaning machine. Switch between the undercarriage mode for blasting away grime underneath your vehicle and the water broom mode for a smooth, even surface clean. Got a driveway, deck, or sidewalk that looks like it's been through a dust storm? Boom, handled. And with the 1-liter foam cannon, you can lather up your car for a thick, luxurious foam bath that makes dirt slide off effortlessly. No more half-clean jobs, just full-throttle, pro-level washing power. Changing modes shouldn't require an engineering degree. With this quick-swap pivoting coupler, switching from undercarriage blaster to surface cleaner to foam cannon is as simple as a twist and lock. Plus, the 1/4-inch quick connectors ensure seamless, leak-free performance. Whether you're using it for a Jeep caked in mud, a truck coated in winter salt, or a driveway in desperate need of TLC, this washer adapts to every cleaning challenge without a hitch. Effortless adjustments, powerful performance, cleaning has never been this satisfying. Let's face it, time is money, and this pressure washer attachment saves you both. The water broom mode ensures even, efficient cleaning on large surfaces, eliminating unnecessary back-and-forth passes. The foam cannon maximizes soap coverage, so you use less detergent while getting a superior clean. And with a working pressure range of 1,500 to 4,000 psi, you get industrial strength results with zero extra effort. Less scrubbing, less rinsing, less waste, just a faster, deeper, more effective clean. Tired of flimsy pressure washer attachments that fall apart after a few uses? The Tool Daily Undercarriage Cleaner is built from high-quality, durable materials designed to withstand high-pressure abuse. Customers rave about its ease of use and powerful cleaning abilities, with many calling it a game-changer for maintaining vehicles and drivus. While some users mention minor build quality concerns, this beast holds its own against pricier competitors, without draining your wallet. If you want pro-level cleaning power without the pro-level price tag, this is your ticket to spotless satisfaction. Get yours today.